Yeah, what you say? Yeah, yeah. Don't tell you been long. I said, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry if I apologize too many times. I tell too many lies, and sometimes I just don't understand. I be seeing you looking through your phone, trying to make some plans. I'm just running this shit, trying to come up on dividends. And honestly, when I see you in your virtue, I can honestly tell your worst moves. Honestly, I be trying to picture times when I found you, or when I once sounded you. And when I try to fit in where I fit in, I don't get in. I just get stuck in another situation that I can't get back for. She be like, goddamn, I'm my father's only bastard. And I say, do you know? I said, and I said, nothing else will matter. And she said, nothing else. Yeah. And she be getting in her feelings and telling me getting twisted as I light another blizzard and find me up on fire up a ciggy and just get thinking of all the times where we was just sinking and watching CNN TV. Got me feeling another way. It's especially something that I should have thought of. Goddamn, I don't wanna get caught up, but this the way that I was brought up, so I keep going in for it like. I said, do you know? I said, do you know yourself? And I know that yo. And I said, do you know? I said, do you know? I said, when there's nothing else. Yeah. Hey, feelings nothing to be played with. Her Herbie Slay, nails done every day, and see her walking down the aisle, bouquets, and honestly treat her every day like a birthday, and she like me to talk to her like Drake and them. She know that I'm not faking it. I'm just trying to see what she wanna do, cause if she wanna do something, we can move something. Let her say something, let me fix her lay front. Let me go and date for it, let me really wait for it. If she got a plan, I'ma try to do it straight for it. Drop a mixtape for a little bit that I call. Hey, do you know? I said nothing else but you. Yeah, I said surely not. Yeah.